If you're experiencing issues with your course progress resetting on Coursera Plus, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A poor connection can lead to issues with saving your progress. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing conflicts with your course progress. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRAP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Log out of your Coursera account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and may resolve any temporary glitches affecting your progress. Step 5. Contact Coursera support. If the issue persists, reach out to Coursera support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem so they can help you effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the course progress reset issue on Coursera Plus. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.